The post-Christmas decor takedown, you guys, for a lot of us, is one of the hardest things to do. You plan and you decorate and you just live in the space and it's festive and it's warm and it's just something that creates this feeling that you want to keep with you the entire year. But then Christmas comes and it's time for the takedown. I am one of these people, you guys. But what I've done is I found a way to get through the holiday blues. And I found that two of the reasons why it's so difficult to take all of this down is that when you take it down, it leaves you with a sense of emptiness. Okay. The room is empty. It doesn't feel as warm and cozy and festive as it did, before you took everything down. And then also it leaves you with a sense of emptiness because again, you're so filled, with the holiday joy and the cheer. And then all of a sudden it's just gone. That's one of the reasons. And then the second reason why it's so difficult is because it is tedious. It takes a lot. It took a lot to put it up and it takes a lot to take it down and to organize it. Guys, I know, been there, done that. So today, with what's Deborah doing now, I am going to share with you some ways to make that transition a lot easier. I no longer suffer from the post-decor holiday blues. And the reason being is because after I take it down, I'm able to transform and transition my spaces into a winter, warm, cozy retreat. And I found that I can very easily do that by using some of the things that I already have in place and just stripping away everything Christmas. Okay. Anything that speaks Christmas, Christmas trees, reindeer, and certain colors like red. I strip those away from the room first. And then I step back and take a look at what I have left. And a lot of times, okay, I see that some of the things that I still do have in place, such as my pillow covers, I can still use. And then I can strategically replace some of the things that I omitted with things that speak winter. So in this upcoming series, I am going to share with you how we can very easily, without going through the holiday blues, transform our space from Christmas to winter. I'm going to do 4 rooms. I am going to start here in the family room and continue on with the kitchen, the living room, and then the bedroom. So you guys, okay, if this sounds like something that interests you and also that you need in your life, please do remember to give this video a like and a share. Also, please do subscribe to my channel and please do turn on that notification so that you don't miss out on any of these 4-part series. All right, you guys, let's get started.
All right, everyone. We just transformed this space from a festive Christmas to a warm, cozy winter retreat. And we did it very simply by stripping out all of the things that just spoke Christmas and then repurposing things if we needed to and adding the things that will complement the decor that was already here. It was simple. It was seamless, you guys. And the room doesn't feel empty, it feels warm and embracing. So if you agree, please do leave in the comments and let me know, you guys, how you feel about this transformation. And also, if you already transformed your space from Christmas to winter, leave in the comments and let us know how easy it was for you to accomplish. Or did you struggle the way a lot of us used to? But for me, the struggle is over by simply following the techniques that I demonstrated in this video. And you guys, make sure you turn on your notification because this is just the beginning. I still have 3 rooms left to go. And if you did in fact enjoy this video, please do remember to give it a like. And also, if you are enjoying the content that I'm bringing you here and you just love the way it feels on this channel, being a part of this community, please remember to hit that subscribe button below. So that way you will never miss out on what's Deborah doing now. I want to thank you guys so very much for being here. And remember to keep creating the spaces that you want to live here. And you remember it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you all right here real soon. And thanks
for joining us.